Hey there, I want to show you today how you can customize your ePortfolio from scratch. So let's say you've got a brand new ePortfolio and you land on it and you go to the dashboard. So I'm on the dashboard here, I'm not actually on the site, I'm on the dashboard, and I want to know how to start going through how to personalize and customize my ePortfolio. If I go to visit site for this particular site, and we're looking at Ali's one here, you'll see that it's just brand new, okay? And what I want to do is start customizing this page, changing this, maybe changing this logo, changing the picture in the background, changing this thing here, getting rid of that, and yeah, just start customizing things on my own portfolio. So there's three things that I'm going to go through today, and the first one is about the theme. So if I go back to your dashboard, there are three places that I really look at on the dashboard. One is posts, one is pages, and one is appearance. So if I go down to appearance and select themes, you'll see you have hundreds and hundreds of themes to choose from. Themes are really important on your site because it really determines how your site looks, the menu part, what's down the side, the content in the middle, how it looks. Everything's related to the theme. So if we just say choose portfolio, now we're down to only 57 possible. But you could choose popular themes if you want. So these are really popular ones that a lot of people use. The newest themes, mobile friendly. The one that I have on there is called Campus Press Flex. And it's a popular theme. It's pretty clean and simple. If this isn't really your thing, Campus Press Flex is a good option to stay with. But you can go through and see which one you would really like to try. So let's say if you find a theme that you'd like to try that's a little bit different, that sort of looks more like you can certainly try that theme. So you can go for live preview. So live preview just allows you to see your current content and see what it looks like with this new theme without committing to it. So it's kind of try before you buy. So we're loading up this new theme. Remember, right now when you get your portfolio, you only have 2 pages and 1 post. The 2 pages you have is your About Me page and that cover page. And the 1 post you have is called Getting Started. So this is what the site would look like with this particular theme. It's called Boardwalk. So there's the image from the front page cover. It looks a little bit different. There's that first post. So it looks pretty simple, but you can customize everything on here. So you can start going through and changing the menus, the main menu and where it is. So here's the menu here. So you can actually develop changing what that menu would look like on there. You can see in this particular theme, the menu looks like that. So it's out from the side. Change the widgets. They're things that are available on the side. So you can change the widgets. The homepage settings. At the moment, our setting is that our home page is this page called home, but you can also just say it's your About Me page as well. That's going to be the home page, or just a list of your latest posts. Right? So you've got these settings down the side here. So theme, they all look a little bit different. Don't worry about CSS. But site identity, you've got a site title, and so you can change the tagline if you want on there. If that's the one that you want, you click activate and publish, and then that becomes your new theme. I'm going to go back out of here because I'm going to stay with my original theme. So that's number 1, looking at themes and changing what that looks like. Number 2 is we're going to go over to pages and all pages, and I'm going to start customizing my home page. So here it is here, home, and I'm going to click on edit. So my home page has this an image in the background, has some text on it. It has what's called a cover block at the top. Now you can make this look whatever way you want it to look. All right, it's up to you. But the first thing you really should do is change this text here and maybe get rid of the All Saints logo as well. So let me do those couple of things and show you how it's done. If I just click on the text here, I could go Control-L and say my portfolio. There we go. And then this text here, let's choose all of that text. I'm just highlighting that text. Right, there we go. So you could put your whole name there, or you could write whatever you like, or you could have nothing there. Same with the All Saints College banner there. You can either replace it with a different image, or I'm just going to hit the delete button, and there we go. That is gone. So let me undo that. I can always go Control Z on my keyboard to undo what I did previously. Let's say I want to change the background image now. Notice that when I click on the background image here, I get this little floating thing here that allows me to put this up and down, okay, change the alignment, change the content of where the image is, or replace the image. So I can either upload a new image or open my media library. Now you probably don't have a lot of images here to start with, so it's a good idea to upload files. So if I select a file here, and I'm going to go to my pictures and I'm going to find a picture that we can put in here. So let's go for so that picture there. So that uploads that picture, and then I can select that and use that as my background. Or I could choose this other image. I think that's the one that we've currently got there, isn't it? So I'll wait till this new one uploads. And then I'm going to go select on that. All right, so now that's going to be my background image for my ePortfolio there. You probably wouldn't choose this one, but this is just an example of how you would do it, okay? Now if I click the cog icon over on the right here, I get some options. So I can focus on different parts here of the image. I can fix the background, so it's always fixed. Things like that, or I can change the size and the dimensions. So you might want to change the color, all right? So you might say, no, I really don't want that color that we had over the top there, or you might think that color looks good because then I can see the text. You can see this text down here is black. I might want to change that in the color settings so that it's white. And I might want to change that font size so it's large. Okay, so you can start to mess around with how your cover of your front page looks. When you are happy with how it looks, just click on update and your page will be updated. Next thing here is this post. So this post here you might want to get rid of. Let's go back to our dashboard. So I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to make the changes on this particular site, but it means you can start customizing what's on your home page. You see on your home page there's a list of sites. That's one of the blocks that we've got in there. You can delete that if you want. If you don't want to see your sites, if you just want to have your About Me page, you can do that as well. So it's about starting to customize. So second thing was start to customize your home page. Change the text, change the background image, change what's below it, those sorts of things. So that's number 2. Number 3 is your About Me page. So I'm still here in Pages, and I can go to Edit, and I can start customizing my About Me page the same way that I've just done. You'll see on the About Me page that you have, it says, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm such and such and such and such. So you probably definitely want to get rid of this text, introduce yourself, and you don't want the quotes, and you can say, hi, I'm whoever it is, okay? And you probably want to get rid of that text here. I'm just highlighting and pressing delete, and you might want to change this image here. Same thing, click on replace, and maybe put an image of yourself there, self and a pet, or at home, or whatever you like, and then introduce yourself there, okay? And you can put some text in. Then you can start putting some text in here, or you can delete this. You can have an image gallery underneath there. Create a story. So this is just some examples of what you could do, but you don't have to do it. It's your page. It's your About Me page, right? And just make sure that when you've finished editing that, you click on Update. Again, I'm going to go back to the main menu and leave and not save those changes, but that's just me because I don't want to do all of the work for Ali, okay? So there's 3 things there that I've shown you to get started for your ePortfolio. The first thing there is changing the theme of your page. That might take a while and a bit of back and forward. You might make some changes, then go back. But first thing is theme. The second thing was editing your home page. So changing the background image, changing the text, changing the school logo that was on there. So start to edit your home page. And the third one is your About Me page there. So there's 3 things that you can do. In the posts, the last thing is this getting started post. So as soon as you change your theme, you know kind of how the posts are looking. I would just go trash and delete that first post. So now you can create your own. So there's not this post sitting there that doesn't make any sense for your portfolio. So I guess that's the 4th thing there. All right. So there's a few things there to get started and get up and running and get going on your ePortfolio. Good luck.